What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have this aquarium light, and hopefully this works on my aquarium right here with my one little beta right there. So we're gonna check this out. Okay, so the legs come off. All right, the leg came off on that one. Now let's see, we're gonna try to put this back on. Wrong way. Oh wait, the light goes down that way. So it's the right way. All right, that's back on. That one is back on. Now I'm trying to get rid of all this stupid tape. Take off our bread tie right here. Slide that down. We have another braid tie right here. One thing you could say, it gave us enough cord to hook up to our outlet. It looks about maybe like 5 foot of cord. I'll try to get the actual factuals to y'all. They gave enough cord here. Now let's see if it fits our aquarium. I can fit it right there on the inside. Oh, it don't fit. Too small. Too small. The only way it will fit if it's going side to side like this. I could do it like this. This will not hurt. That's actually, it's no problem with that, but I gotta put the wire in the back. That's not bad. I could do it like that. All right, I just hooked it up, and ooh, that's nice and bright. Very bright. I'm just gonna show y'all real quick so y'all can see, but you do get a nice brightness. Y'all see how dark it is? You see the brightness, so that is not bad at all. All right, you guys, so there goes my light right there. I'm gonna have to take clean up this tank and stuff. All right, you guys, and that is it. The aquarium light is on. Now I did buy a riser for this, so stay tuned. I want to raise this one up just a tad bit more, so that way the light is a little bit higher. And yeah, so that will be it. So I only have one on and off, and that's it. So on, off. Oh, and I was gonna drop that in the water, but that will be it, you guys. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.